1. Trees communicate with each other. Through underground fungal networks often called the Wood Wide Web, trees share nutrients, send warnings about pests, and support weaker trees in their community. 2. Bioluminescence is more common than you think. Many organisms, from fireflies to deep-sea creatures, produce their own light through chemical reactions. Even some fungi and algae glow in the dark. 3. Oceans produce most of Earth's oxygen. While forests are crucial, over 50% of the oxygen we breathe comes from tiny marine plants called phytoplankton. 4. Antarctica is the driest place on Earth. Despite being covered in ice, some regions of Antarctica, like the McMurdo Dry Valleys, receive virtually no precipitation and are considered deserts. 5. The Amazon rainforest is a giant,